but he was not successful. कुंकोळकार आम्ही एक रेव्होल्युशनरी करपी मनीस आणि लोकांनी एक बरी मॅन्डेट आज दाखोवन या बीजेपीच्या मनशांक दाखोवन दिलेले आहा. I would also like to announce today that today unanimously we have decided that the senior most Professor Dr. Lakshman Naik will be the chairperson of the Konkan Municipal Council. And Anthony Vaz will be the vice chairperson. This was a unanimous decision by all the council members, and I am thankful again to the people of Kolim की तेमी आमकां दाखोवन दिला की एकवटान आमी ही काम करपाक जाय. कित्याक there was several allegations on the amount of corruption and charges of negligence to the people, and I appeal to all these new councillors also. We will work on our manifesto in whatever best way we will take.
In fact, Kukalikars have told him that we want you to bring reforms in the Kukali Municipal Council, to give justice to the people of Kukali. आणि जोकीचे आणि युरीचे अभिनंदन करता की ताणी खरंच खूप त्रास घेऊन हे काउन्सिल हाडपा खातीर प्रयत्न केले. सगळे वर्कर्सांचे अभिनंदन करता जे ताजे फाटल्यान सामके रावले. आणि म्हाका दिसतालें वातावरण पळयल्यार कळटालें की जोकीम आनी युरी हे आपल्या मनशाक निवडून हाडपाक सक्सेसफूल जातले म्हणून. इतले खूप प्रयत्न जाले. म्हणजे मसल पावर आणि कितें फायनान्शियल पावर सगळे यूज केली आसतली अपोजिशनान, पण जोकीम आनी युरीक लोकांचेर विश्वास आसलो आनी पीपल हॅव प्रूव्ड देम रायट. एक मेसेजीस तातूंतल्यान लोकांनी दिली की जो काम करता तो सदांच लोकांच्या काळजांत उरता. टेम्पररी कितें सेटबॅक जायत ताका, but ultimately one day or the other people repose their faith in you, and that is what has happened in Kukali.
And you know, right from the beginning, during his ministership, I became twice a councillor. This is the third time I'm becoming a principal with this councillor, and because of his good blessings, I am today elected as the council chairman of Konkan Municipal Council, and I assure you all, with the blessing and with the support of all these leaders sitting over here, that I will try to work with my council members, with my staff member of the municipality, with my villagers, with my people of the Konkan village, so that I get the full cooperation, and people should think that they should cooperate with me in order to get the things done.